How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can clip Rainbow Six Siege with Medal. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply select your options for something like quality, recording, etc. And the most important thing is to just head over to this simple button. Now, this is basically our clip hotkey. And basically, if you press this specific hotkey, it will then initiate the clip on Medal. So just click on it, set your hotkey the way you want to, and then you can also set the duration right here. Now open up your Rainbow Six Siege, and then it will automatically be detected on this window right here. Now in this video, I'm using Counter-Strike 2 as an example because as of the moment, my game isn't updated. But if it didn't automatically detected Rainbow Six Siege, you can click Add Game, click Add Another Game, and then you will be able to see all of your opened applications. Just click Rainbow Six Siege, and you will be able to clip it that way. Just head over to the Rainbow Six Siege application, click your clip hotkey, and then you will be able to see it inside the library for Medal TV. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.